谈爱恨无偏，让戏似成语言。他做红帐，面带浓妆，唢呐一声唱，明月光，卷女子泪眼白高堂，一代天地。
Ni hao! This is Jake for Aii Talks Season 2. And for today's episode, we will talk to two of our students who are studying Chinese here at Aii Language Center. And there's a very interesting thing that happened, okay? They posted this TikTok video and it's actually getting millions of views right now. And hopefully they get to win is the challenge. I think they joined a certain challenge online. To know more about that, let's introduce our guests for today. Hello, good morning or good day. What are your names, please?
My name is Aii.
Do you have a nickname, like a short name your friends call you? Like pretty?
My nickname.
Like nickname?
My nickname is Nam Ta.
Huh?
Nam Ta.
Nam Ta. Okay, sounds like Thai to me or something. But anyway, Nam Ta. Okay, and you are?
My name is Tokso Thalin.
Okay, also another name that I cannot really say. But maybe you have a nickname also? Like what do your friends call
Can
you?
call me Thalin.
Talin, okay, Talin, okay, Talin. Basically, you guys have this video and you posted it online in TikTok, and now I think the video is more than 1 million views, right? So, what is it about? Maybe you can share a little bit more. Feel free to speak in Khmer, because I know you're better in Chinese. Maybe can you say something in Chinese to our audience first? Like, go.
你好，我叫楚玉林。
你好，我叫唐秀良。
Ah, so they introduced their names. I think I know a little bit of Chinese. So. Ni hao, Jake. So bad at it. Okay. But anyway, you're studying what level now in AI for
Level
Chinese?
7.
Level 7. And how about you?
Me too.
Level 7. Are you classmates?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe you share that in Chinese again. You know, this is again free promotion. Okay, go ahead. Say it in Chinese. Ready? Go.
大家好，我叫楚玉林，我上7等级。
大家好，我叫唐秀良，我也上7等级。
我们在 AI 语言中心学中文，爱
AI。
Love AII, right? Okay. What made you decide to study Chinese language?
មូលហេតុដែលខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាចិនដោយសារខ្ញុំមើលឃើញប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងមានអ្នកវិនិយោគមកពីប្រទេសចិនជាច្រើនហើយខ្ញុំឃើញថាប្រទេសកម្ពុជានិងប្រទេសចិនមានភាពស្អិតរមួតនឹងគ្នាអញ្ចឹងអាស្រ័យនេះហើយបានខ្ញុំមករៀនភាសាចិន
And how about you? What's your reason behind like studying Chinese?
ខ្ញុំឲ្យគាត់គិតដូចគ្នាដោយសារតាជនជាតិចិនគាត់ចង់មកវិនិយោគនៅស្រុកខ្មែរអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំត្រូវតែរៀនភាសាចិនដើម្បីឲ្យមានការទំនាក់ទំនងគ្នានឹងគ្នាកាន់តែល្អ
Yeah, I think that's a really good opportunity right there. Many Chinese investors are coming into Cambodia and they're building businesses, as I know. So that will really be helpful if, we kind of step into that and take this as a good opportunity. So if you're also interested to study Chinese, Aii Language Center is offering Chinese as a second language, and we have wonderful students and teachers out there to support you, okay? So don't be so shy or afraid. But speaking of which, there are many schools, right, in Cambodia. But why did you choose to study Chinese at AII? Okay, why not other schools? Yeah, just wondering.
ចាមូលហេតុដែលខ្ញុំជ្រើសរើសមជ្ឈមណ្ឌល AI ដើម្បីមករៀនភាសាចិននេះគឺដោយសារតែលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូនៅសាលា AI មានបទពិសោធន៍យូរឆ្នាំនិងមានឆន្ទៈខ្ពស់ដើម្បីបង្រៀនសិស្សឲ្យឆាប់ចេះនិងយល់ដឹងពីភាសាចិន
ហើយបន្ថែមនេះទៅទៀតដែរនៅសាលា AI ខ្ញុំមើលឃើញថាមានកម្មវិធីប្រកួតជាច្រើនដូចជាការសរសេរល្បឿនការអានបញ្ចេញសំឡេងហើយនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីសាលា AI ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបានមើលឃើញថាមានកម្មវិធីជាច្រើនដូចជាការធ្វើបទបង្ហាញការធ្វើអីដែលតាក់ទងជាមួយវប្បធម៌ចិនម្ល៉េះហើយបានខ្ញុំសម្រេចចិត្តថារៀននៅសាលាមជ្ឈមណ្ឌល AI
thank you for that. Actually, there's so many events and activities because as a student, we would like you to have all the experiences and then you can have a lot of lessons from it because we believe that studying Chinese doesn't only stay in the classroom, but you can also do that even outside of your classroom. So with this contests, with the activities, and with the kind of culture we're building here, hopefully you'll learn more. Okay, now I think it's the time to kind of reenact what they did in the TikTok. So we'll be using this as the platform. So we will do the challenge. So I would like you to do the style again, but it might change a little bit. It's up to you. So we'll give you that time, okay?
他爱恨无偏，让戏子成语言。他做红帐面带浓妆，唢呐一声长明月光。这女子泪眼白高堂，一拜天地日月，二拜秋意望。这一生为300红尘两了，听见大门锁上，杂乱的眼光多渲染。这女子笑颜几惆怅。
Thank you. Let's give a big round of applause to the two of you. Great job for the challenge. But I'd like to know more. This costume is from Yunan?
Yunan.
Sorry. So how do I made a mistake. I'm sorry about that. So how do you say that again?
Yunan.
Yunan.
Yun.
Yun.
Yun. Look at my mouth.
Oh. Yun.
Yeah, Yunan.
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 Okay. There you go. So tell us more about the costume.
អូខេអានេះមកពីខេត្តអ៊ីណានមកពីជនជាតិម៉ៅជូសម្រាប់ចំណុចពិសេសរបស់វាវាមានខ្សែនៅពីលើនេះហើយវាមានអាវខាងក្រៅនៅក្រោមអាវនេះក៏មានកៅអៅមួយស្រទាប់ទៀតនៅខាងក្នុងដែរ
កៅអៅនេះមកពីវ៉ាជូគឺមានមួកមានកៅអៅមានសម្ពុតគឺរំលេចទៅដោយកណ្ដឹងរំយោលឲ្យធ្វើឲ្យយើងកាន់តែស្អាត
And then finally, what is your message to students out there who also like to study Chinese? Maybe like me, I always wanted to learn Chinese, but sometimes I don't have the time or I don't make effort about it. So what is your message for those students who also wanted to learn Chinese?
អូខេអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទឥឡូវកំពុងតែស្វែងរកសាលារៀនចិនអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចមករៀននៅសាលា AI បានដោយសារសាលា AI មានច្រើនកម្មវិធីមែនទែនមានទាំងរៀនពីវប្បធម៌ចិននិងកម្មវិធីខាងក្រៅជាច្រើនអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចមករៀននៅសាលា AI បានតោះចុះឈ្មោះរៀនជាមួយគ្នា
Okay. Basically, thank you so much, Okon. Xie. Did I say it? Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you for being part of our talk show. We really would like you to learn more and share more about your experiences as well here at AI Language Center. So for those of you out there who also wanted to try the Chinese program or to study Chinese, give it a try here at AI Language Center. So my name again is Jake and this has been your host for AI Talks Season 2. Hi, Ching!